Window shades are the perfect addition to increase your home's comfort levels and overall interior aesthetics. These window treatments not only add style to your living spaces, but also offer many practical advantages. Now, because replacing your window treatments is a large investment, we want you to fully understand what you will get out of installing new window shades for your home and how it will benefit you. So in this video, we're going to explore why upgrading your interior window shades is a smart investment that can transform your living experience. Let's get started. Number 1, enhanced energy efficiency. Your existing window treatments may be silently sabotaging your energy bills. Outdated shades often lack the insulation needed to regulate indoor temperatures effectively. This can also cause your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, or HVAC unit, to work overtime, leading to higher utility costs. Number 2, increased home value. Upgrading your window shades is more than just a home improvement project, it's an investment in your property's value. Contemporary window shades can make your home more appealing to potential buyers if you're thinking about selling in the near future. When prospective buyers walk into a home with modern and stylish window treatments, they see it as a well-maintained and updated space. Number 3, enhanced privacy and light control. If you've ever struggled with privacy issues or managing to maintain natural light, it's time to consider upgrading your window shades. Today's market offers a wide range of options, allowing you to choose window treatments that match your specific needs. Number 4, improved security and peace of mind. Now, window shades can play a role in enhancing the security of your property. During the day, when you invite natural light into your living spaces, you gain a better view of your surroundings. This increased visibility allows you to monitor any activity outside your home, providing you with an added layer of security and peace of mind. At night, you have the option to install blackout or double-layered shades. These shades effectively block the view from outside, preventing any prying eyes from observing your indoor activities. The added privacy ensures that you and your family can relax without concerns about unwanted attention. Number 5, improved overall comfort. Ultimately, the decision to replace your interior window shades is about enhancing your overall comfort. With modern and efficient shades in place, you can curate the perfect ambiance in your home. Finding the right window shades for your home. From energy efficiency to enhanced security, privacy, and comfort, modern window treatments can completely redefine your living space. Additionally, these upgrades can increase your home's value and style, making it more appealing to potential buyers in the future. Now, investing in quality window shades is a decision that will yield significant benefits for years to come, creating a more inviting and comfortable living space. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video for more home solutions. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.